Some trades are easier to log by hand, especially when the position is still open. Let's add a trade to Folio manually. Inside Folio, hit Add Trade and stay on the Manual tab. First thing, decide whether the trade is still open or already closed. Let's start with Open. Switch to Open. Pick your symbol inside. Let's go BTC long. Entry at 59,900. Stop loss at 57,000. Take profit at 63,000. Leverage 10. Then choose how to size it, quantity or notional. We'll keep notional. Exchange is Bybit. Set your entry time. Now the right side. This is where the story lives. Folio runs the trade against your rules right away. Stop loss is set. Your risk to reward is calculated. Your daily trade limit isn't blown. Mark the setup, the emotion, and most important, write why you took it. Something like, pull back to the 60,000 support after it held, risk capped by the stop under the local low. Add a tag, drop in your Bybit screenshot, and save. Scroll down. There's our open trade in the journal. Open it up. Folio's already worked out the notional, the margin, and how far price sits from your stop and target. The trade is live, and you wait. Then the time comes to close. Hit Close Trade and fill in the rest. Exit at 65,000. Folio auto-calculates the P and L, but you can edit it to match your exchange's exact number. And the key part, write what happened. Something like, hit my target, closed on plan, didn't move the stop or get greedy. Clean execution. And now, here's the point. The trade is closed, and the AI coach finally has the full picture. Entry, exit, your rules, your emotion, your execution. One honest entry like this is already data. After 10 of them, the coach starts to see your pattern, where you break your own plan, which setups actually work for you, what to fix. That's where a journal stops being a spreadsheet and starts making you better. Hit save, and your trade lands in the journal. Folio exists to make traders profitable. Let's get you there.